Do you want to buy a home using FHA loan? My name is Hector Villatoro. Today, I want to talk to you about a basic requirement of how to get a loan. What do you need to what do you need to do to get approved for an FHA loan and the benefit that you have? I want to talk to you about starting with the credit score. Credit score, or you have to be ready for it. FHA probably not going to care much about the credit score, but the bank and the lender will put some restriction to you. What I mean by that probably you can buy an FHA loan with 580 credit score or 6, but keep in mind that not every bank will allow you to. The higher the better, but you need to be prepared to have a credit score of at least 640 or more. That's very important. Also, my recommendation is for you to have lower debt. If you planning to buy a house, don't go crazy buying other stuff because that's going to increase the level of debt. So you got to be careful, and you have to be proactive. You have to ask a lot of questions so you can be prepared, and everything is going to be very easy for you. Now, there are other requirements that we need, like they're going to ask you 2 years tax return. Why? There are a couple of reasons why they want to ask you for tax return. Number one, they're going to ask you because they want to see that you have good job history, and also they want to see that you have enough income. That's going to determine how much you can buy. For example, if you have to buy a house, you're going to have the higher the income, the better, and the lower debt. But you need to have at least $90,000 to get income on a yearly basis for the past 2 years. Now, if you have FHA allowed you to have 1, 2, or 3 people into the loan to make the income. So if you have 2 people that have 25 each or 30, at the end you make the $90,000 or $100,000. So that way you can come up with the income. Now you have to be careful because the level of debt cannot be higher than 35-40%. If you have higher debt, then the pre-approval is low. You may not be able to buy a home. Now, they're also going to ask you for pay stub. Pay stub, the more reason they want to make sure that you have taxes, but you're still working. You have the good working history. You need to get paid for pay stub, the most recent one. Also, you need to show proof of fund. What is the money? Because you need to have 3.5% down payment, and also you need to have closing costs. The closing costs vary between 4 and 6%. So in general, you need to be prepared 30, 35, 40,000, the more the better, but at least you have to be prepared with that. Now, in conclusion, I take the time to make this video to keep my clients informed. If you have a question, you can call us. We'll be able to provide as much information as possible. As I say, my name is Hector Villatoro, and I need your help. If you know anyone who wants to sell, who wants to buy, who wants to do anything related with real estate, please let us know. Please refer it to us. If you have a question, we have more videos, and I'm sure you will find some information that is going to make sense for you. And keep in mind that it's not only for buying and selling. If you want to work in real estate, welcome. We'll be happy to show you the way how to make some money. Thank you for watching.